Hi everyone, I'm Nova and I'm going to teach you how to assemble and disassemble a system unit. But we cannot disassemble the unit without the tools. First, anti-static wrist strap, screw organizer, and the screwdriver. And now, unscrew the side panel and remove the cover. Now, remove the cover. And now, I'm going to disconnect all the cables. Next, unscrew the power supply and remove it. And now, I'm going to unscrew the hard disk drive and remove it. Next, I will unscrew the optical drive and remove it. Next, unscrew the LAN card and remove it. Next, I will get the memory stick from the memory slot. Next, I will remove the CPU fan and disconnect the CPU connector. Lastly, unscrew the motherboard and remove from the case. And now, I successfully disassemble a system unit. And this time, I'm going to assemble the system unit. And now, I will put back all the components to the case. And first, the motherboard. Now, I put back the CPU fan to the CPU socket. Next, I will put back the memory stick to the memory slot. Next, I will put back the LAN card to the PCI. Next, I will put back the optical drive. Next is the hard drive. Next is the power supply. Now I'm going to connect all the connectors from the power supply to the motherboard and the SATAs. And lastly, I will put back the cover. I successfully assemble a system unit.